out with a harpoon, flying high as a balloon. And I ain't coming down, got no chill around you, but I'm trying to play it cool. Don't wanna rush it on too soon. I'm keeping you around superstitiously. I'm watching my words, all of my words now, like a birthday wish. Don't say it out loud, never out loud. Yeah, I want to tell. My best friend gave me the best advice. He said each day's a gift and not a given right. Leave no stone unturned, leave your fears behind, and try to take the path less traveled by. That first step you take is the longest ride. If today was your last day, tomorrow was too late, could you say goodbye yesterday? Would you live each moment like your last? Leave old pictures in the past. Donate every dime you have. If today was your last day, I can hear the sound of the piano so clearly when I think of you. Endless nights begging for tomorrow, and I feel that I won't break through. I still got time to find my way. There's a life outside of your embrace, 'cause to fall in love ain't the hardest part. It's a starting over with a broken heart. And every chord and every note leads me through to the truth I know. Trading places with the life I lost for scattered traces of the one I loved.